Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put text on top of table in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation with table. Now I put text on top of this table. At first, I have to select this table like this way. Then go to show height and format style option. Then you can see here are title option. Click this title option and make your title text top of table. Then press enter. Now click outside of this table. Now you can see I put text on top of the table in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.